I'm Jamie Hooper with the Home Advantage team and Remax Crest, and today we're going to talk about the June sales statistics are in. The old line is that statistics don't lie, but we're going to analyze them and see if maybe these ones are speaking a little bit with a forked tongue. But before we do that, we'd just like to remind you that if you get any value out of these videos, enjoy them at all, just click the thumbs up button, maybe subscribe to our YouTube channel, or even make a comment down below. So behind us we see the detached housing sales for the month of June. And to have a quick look at them, all indications are that we're in a pretty strong seller's market, which we are. Most of the list to sell ratios, with the exception of a couple of them, are well into seller's market territory, meaning the list to sell ratios, as you can see, are above 20%. Any of them indicate a strong seller's market, and anything below a little slower. So if you can have a look again too, have a look at the price increases, which is really interesting over the first 6 months of this year. West side up 10%, east side 11.6%. Some strong gains in the detached housing market. But what we started to notice in the second half of June was the market wasn't as busy as it was the first half of June. So what we may have seen here that are distorting the figures a little are extremely busy conditions during the first half of the month, and then in the second half of the month slowing down. So we're gonna monitor this over the month of July and see what happens there. But also, here's another quick look at the condo townhouse market, which is still even stronger than the detached housing market. You can see all of these list to sell ratios are well above 20%. Check the amount of them selling with multiple offers. 37% downtown, 33% Tawasin are the two lowest. The rest of them, Ladner, 89% of the attached properties selling with multiple offers. West Side, 52%. Price increases way up. Median days on the market way down, 7, 8, 9 days on the market, which indicates that the attached market probably stayed stronger the second half of the month than the detached market did. So when you go back to the beginning of the year and look at what's happened price-wise, it's outperformed anyone's expectations. We've even had another interest rate hike in there, and they're talking about possibly another one before the end of the summer as well. So how does this market keep moving along in spite of all these things that are continually happening to slow it down? We talk about it all the time. One thing that's a little unusual for now that isn't always the case is we've got really low inventory. So that's what's propping the market up. It's not that the sales are so much higher than they were last year. It's there's just not enough properties for sale, and that's what makes the list to sell ratio so high. We're in a landlocked city that I harp on about all the time. Very limited opportunities for more building lots or building space. There's already a housing shortage, and we have 50,000 more people coming here every year. So as I always say, I'm bullish on Vancouver, and Vancouver will always be a great long-term investment. I'm Jamie Hooper with Remax Crest and the Home Advantage team, and we'll be back to speak with you soon with another video.